What's going on, guys? I have a Wicked package that just showed up, and it's actually straight from Japan. Check that out. Boom, 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 boom. Now, these don't look like the ones that I have, because these have two little screw holes. So the mounting tabs for these are broken off the taillights, but there's screw heads here that are new that somebody obviously put in, which is interesting. Curious if I broke these off completely. So even if I glued these on, I have anywhere to sit. No, I'd have to build some mounting tabs. I really need to get my 3D printer to work. Even if I just remounted these, I could just Dremel these ever so slightly.